Side down, right here. It's your cylinder heads. And then you have to read the directions. You have to look at it. You have to do it. This is your stuff. You see how it goes? Look at the blueprint. Look at the shape of everything. You see how it's shaped?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's shaped like this here. Okay, now you have to find out which one is A10 and A11. Look on there. See if it says A10 or A11 somewhere. What does that say?
All the says.
What's the number right here? You see, what is that? What does that say?
A10.
Okay, so you look at this, you take the A10 cover and you make it look like that one. Right there. You hold it the same way that the diagram is going in. So it goes this way. Okay? See, look at the contour of the edges. Look at how it's shaped. So you put that on there. Okay. Now, get your screws. How many more screws do you need?
We need.
You gotta look up here. It's gonna tell you.
6.
Six screws. Okay. All right. Get your screws out.
Oh.
Get the regular screws, not the ones that have the washer on the end.
Okay.
And man, just put that back. That's her tool. She has to use that. So you need 6.